backgrounds in LS Engage under additional resources. They're in there. Ken and James are using them. We did this specifically today because we wanted to show you the differences of how it can look. And, I'll take the next one, which is, your email communication. Family, we are in the solution space, which is the professional. We're dealing with decision makers. We want to come across as, I want to be, fun, but I also don't want it in my email. Kathy's the fun one at gmail.com. Think about when you're sending an email. What does that say about you? Do you have a signature that looks professional? Does your email reflect it? Now, I get it. We all have a Gmail or whatever it is, but maybe for business solutions, it's time to think about a separate email just for this particular side of your business. Because again, we want to come across as a true business, not an at-home business. And remember then that when you log in, it's the same thing. I don't want to be, if my picture is up there, is it me, professional headshot, or is it an animal? We're humans, so let's have human pictures up there and make sure they're professional headshots. I can't tell you how important that is, because when they see that and then you walk in the business, they're going to be like, yes, that's her, or yes, that's him, versus I have no idea what he looks like because the screen's been blank this whole time. So Tamika, I'll turn it to you.
Yeah, and